Welcome to homework.
So this question says describe three different versions of backflush costing. So there are three versions of backflush costing, and they are based on the number of placements of the trigger points at which the journal entries are made. So the version one has three trigger points, and it has three stages when the journal entries are made. So the stage A for version one is like the purchase of the direct materials and conversion costs. And stage C is like the completion of finished goods products units. And then stage D is the sale of the finished goods. So you purchase the raw materials, direct materials, you complete the good finished units of products, and then you sell the finished goods. And then in this case, there is no journal entry for production because resulting in work in process because there's minimal work in process. So so we have minimal work in process. And then version two, we have two trigger points for version two. And there are two stages where the journal entries are made. Stage A is the purchase of direct materials and conversion costs. And stage D is the sale of the finished goods. So in this case, it's the same thing. There is no journal entry for production, resulting in the work in process for stage B, and then the completion of finished good units of product because there's minimal work in process and finished goods inventory. Inventories. So the next version 3, this has two trigger points, and there are two stages where the journal entries are made. Stage C is the completion of finished units of products. And then we have stage D, which is the sale of the finished goods. So for this one, there is no journal entry for purchase of direct materials and incurring the conversion cost, which is the stage A, and the production resulting in work in process stage B, because there's minimal direct materials and work in process inventories. So there's the minimal direct materials, and work in process inventories. And that's